Hi nail friends and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how I did this mani using dip and acrylic powders. So let's get right into the video. My nails are already clean and prepped, and now I'm using my Cherael bond to dehydrate my nails. If you don't have any bond, you can use rubbing alcohol or acetone. Now I apply my Oont peel off base coat for easier removal. If you want your nails to last longer, you should skip this step. So for this design, I'm using my double dip base liquid, and starting on the index finger, I applied base to the whole nail and then I dipped into this Mia Secret teal acrylic mixture. I made this color using Mia Secret blue and green acrylic powder. I did 3 layers of that, and I also did the same for my pinky and thumbnail. Application wasn't the best for this design, and only when I was finished I realized it's because the double dip base is a thinner liquid than I'm accustomed to, and I'm using it with my non-dominant hand. So I didn't have much control, but that's a me problem. On my middle and ring finger, I did 3 layers of my Revel nail ensemble dip powder. Now I take some nail foil and separated them into smaller pieces. Using my base liquid, I applied it to my middle and ring finger, and then I placed my nail foil. Then I encapsulated the nails with my Pro Dip Clear Dip powder. I did 2 layers, but I only showed 1 layer. Now I apply activator, waited for the nails to harden, then began filing. Now, using my 3D nail stickers, I apply it to my ring and middle finger off camera. Then I applied activator to the nails. I would recommend applying the activator before the nail stickers. I believe it changed the color of the nail stickers a bit. Then I wiped off the excess activator. Now I apply my first layer of double dip top coat and waited for about 1 minute, and then applied my second layer and waited for it to dry. Then I applied my cuticle oil to rehydrate my skin and nails, and this is the finished look. So let me know what you guys think of this design in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Bye guys!